Ever wondered how crucial local SEO is for your business? In this digital age, it's a game changer, making businesses visible to their local customers, driving more traffic to websites. So, it's clear, local SEO isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Now, how can you enhance your local SEO? Let's dive in. First, make sure to optimize your Google My Business profile. This step is crucial. Next, focus on improving your website's internal linking structures, and don't forget to encourage customer reviews. These are vital in building credibility. Incorporate local keywords in your content to make it more relevant to your audience. Lastly, ensure your website is mobile-friendly. A lot of people use their phones to search. Implementing these strategies could make a significant difference in your local SEO ranking. Still feeling overwhelmed with local SEO? Consider Authority Solutions, your trusted partner for all your local SEO needs. With their expertise, businesses have seen significant improvement in their local SEO rankings. Don't navigate the world of local SEO alone. Contact Authority Solutions today. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more helpful tips.